What's up guys, and the crazy leak, or should I say super crazy leak, is back. We are talking about the OnePlus and its most affordable smartphone, the OnePlus Z, aka OnePlus NORD. Yes, as per the latest leaks from MaxJ, it will be called as OnePlus NORD and it could start at a staggering and shocking price of $299. For the specs that this phone is gonna offer, this is actually a very insane price. Not long ago, OnePlus Twitter account posted a OnePlus One image with it saying it's been a while, so there is a strong possibility of this phone having a $300 price range. The original OnePlus One that came out in 2014 was also priced at $300, so now you get why they are saying it's been a while since they launched a $300 OnePlus smartphone. Now the OnePlus NORD was first speculated to launch at a price tag of $400, then it came down to $330 and now at $299. Again crazy. If you look at the spec sheet, this is what the confirmed specs of the OnePlus NORD looks like. 90Hz OLED display will be there, quad cameras as said by MaxJ, the Snapdragon 765 chipset along with 30 watts of fast charging. As for the other details, the display size, the camera sensors, the battery, according to MaxJ, it's not accurate at this point. We might see a slight change in the display size coming smaller than which was previously speculated. Battery size could be 4000 or 4200 mAh and 4 cameras on the back, which is pretty obvious: wide, ultra wide, macro and depth sensors. And last but not the least, speaking of the design, so according to MaxJ, the leaked design that we saw via on leaks was correct for the earlier prototype, but the new OnePlus NORD prototype could be a little bit different. Again, the screen size could be smaller, the camera placement could be a little bit different, but it will most likely be similar to its early prototype. Hole punch towards the middle to of course differentiate the cheaper one from the flagship grade $1000 smartphone. Again, all in all, the OnePlus NORD is looking crazy for $299, packing a 90Hz OLED display, full dead modern looking design, as well as modern looking specs, way more modern than iPhone SE. OnePlus was waiting for iPhone SE's hype to pass, and they are now all set to announce their OnePlus SE, aka OnePlus NORD, in the month of July. So let me know what you guys think of the OnePlus NORD at a staggering $299 price. Make sure to subscribe and comment below what you think of it, and I will catch you in the next one.